Okay, everybody, our staff meeting is going to begin right now. And first on the agenda is Miss Tenna, our school-wide instructional coach. Thank you. Hello, everyone. Okay, so the past 2 weeks in my walkthroughs, I noticed a lot of progress in our school-wide goal of infusing technology in the classroom. Each teacher is doing a wonderful job of meeting that goal. A couple of the teachers did come across a challenge that many may face in the future that we should jump ahead to avoid: digital citizenship. Some students are not using the technology appropriately, and we want to change that. Ms. Sanchez and I worked together to address this issue to gain 100% student engagement while using technology. I've asked her to share her experience and successful progress in this area from us working together. Ms. Sanchez?
Thank you, Ms. Tenna. Welcome. My class has been using technology more, and my challenge was that they were using the programs to chat with one another. This was a big problem and distraction. Ms. Tenna and I talked together in our one-to-one session, and I asked her to share with me one of her digital citizenship lessons she offered me, and to be my extra set of eyes on my technology lesson. This helped. The students knew my expectations through the lesson, the consequences of digital footprints, and the support of Miss Tenna's presence enforced it. The next day, there were no more distractions. I know I will want to ask Miss Tenna to come as a surprise every now and then to help me keep them accountable.
Okay. That's good. Yeah, I can do that. Thank you, Miss Sanchez. This was a successful goal met. Let's give Miss Sanchez a hand clap. Good job, good job.
Thank you.
Okay, so I also want to say one more thing. Our school-wide goal is to implement digital citizenship expectations through a lesson. If you need resources like Ms. Sanchez used to save you time, I will be readily available to support each of you with that. If so, please email me your requests for support in this area and desired resources, and I will be happy to give those to you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.